Many of us have heard that you shouldn't cook with extra virgin olive oil because of its low smoke point. But extra virgin olive oil has a smoke point between 350 and 410 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it perfectly safe for cooking. But that's besides the point. Smoke point is in fact a poor indicator of how a cooking oil will perform under heat. When cooking oils are heated, after a while they can break down, and some oils are prone to forming harmful compounds. Interestingly, the temperature at which this happens is not even related to the smoke point of the oil. Instead, the stability of an oil depends on its composition, antioxidants, and its level of refinement. Oils with high oxidative stability include those high in saturated fats or monounsaturated fats. The lack of double bonds in their molecular structure makes them more stable under heat. Refined polyunsaturated oils have low oxidative stability and were found to release a higher number of harmful compounds. It is best to avoid oils that are high in polyunsaturated fats, low in antioxidants, and refined, like corn, canola, and soybean. Research shows that the most stable oil is extra virgin olive oil. It's safe to cook with, rich in antioxidants, contains stable fats, and isn't refined at all, which makes it the best oil for cooking. To learn more about oxidative stability and what happens when you heat cooking oils, visit www.aboutoliveoil.org.